All right, so below the video and after this, you're going to have a lot of different case studies, is what I call. Hopefully by now, I've given you enough information and concepts and scenarios that you kind of know what to do in different scenarios, right? Or at least you know what you think I would say is the right answer. But just listening passively is not going to have you really internalize the concept. So what I would like you to do, or challenge you to do, to really internalize these concepts is to look at each of the case study that's presented and answer every single question there. Okay, if it requires an email or call or a chat, write down what the talking points in the call would be, what the introducing, the initial sentences would be. Talk about, write out the email, write out the chat message, make it as real as possible, really putting yourself in that situation and think about what you would do. Okay. And again, there may not just be one right answer. There are many, many wrong answers, and there are probably a few good answers and a few really, really good answers. So try to find them. Try to find how you can incorporate the core values that were introduced in this course, as well as your own style and other core values that are important to you. Mess them together, come up with an effective communication, either in writing or phone call or chat or a different way, where you plan out your move. And then if you have a mentor, go in and discuss with your mentor what your answers are and discuss whether there's a better way or whether you would change. At least in the process of trying to explain your thought with someone else, you're going to gain tremendous value, because anything that you verbalize with your own mouth, you're going to retain far better than something that you just listen. Okay, so writing is better than listening, but speaking is better than writing. Right? So you've done a lot of listening already. Your ears are probably full. So now write it, and hopefully you wrote down all of those answers to these other scenarios above. Write down your answers, and then if you have a mentor, go, or another person who's taking this course, together compare your answers, not just in written. Set up a meeting so you can verbalize and present, this is what I would do, and speak. Because in the process of, again, speaking is going to go, your knowledge in your head is then going to go underneath and it's going to become part of you. Okay, it's the writing and the speaking that where the knowledge gets internalized, and then it will belong to your heart, and you can speak with passion and emotion because now it becomes part of you. Okay, that's important. So do not skip these exercises. If you do, you're not going to get that much. Okay.